Hello boys and girls, I'm going to show you one more example. 13 times 32. I'm going to show you this one in a partial product. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to write our problem vertically. Then, just like with an area model, we're going to decompose our numbers into tens and ones. Now, I know that I'm going to take parts since it's a partial product. So I'm going to take 10 plus 3, which is 13, and I'm going to multiply it 30 times. 30 times. I'm also going to take 10 plus 3, and I'm going to multiply it 2 times. Why? Because 13 is also 10 plus 3. And I want it 30 times. 32 times, which is 30 times and 2 more times. So once I have those two, I will add them together just like we did here to find our total product. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is take my 30 3 times. So 3 times 3 is 9, 10 times more is 90. Plus, I also have this 10 I need 30 times. So 10 times 30, 1 times 3 is 3, 10 times greater, 10 times greater. So I end up with 390 here. Now I do the same thing. I want my 3 2 times. And I also want my 10 2 times, which is 20, which gives me 26. Then I need to combine those two parts to find our total product. 0 plus 6 is 6, 9 plus 2 is 11, regroup the 1, and we get 416. Now, let's see if we get the same result when we do our standard algorithm. This was our partial product. Now we're going to do our standard algorithm. Standard algorithm is 13 times 32. The very first thing I'm going to do is multiply all of my ones, kind of like how I did here. I multiplied my ones times each part. I'm going to multiply my ones by each part here. So 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 1 is 2. This 2 is in the tens place, so it is 20, because if I broke this down, it'd be 20 plus 6. So I have multiplied 2 times 3 to get 6, 2 times 1 to get 2. Now, I'm going to move over to my tens place. When I move over to my tens place, I have to make sure that I put a 0 because it's 10 times greater in my ones place because I'm starting at 30. So I put my 0 here. After I put my 0 there, then I can multiply the same way. I'm going to say that I want this 3 times 3, because I'm going to do my ones place first, which is 9. And then I'm going to say I have this 3 times 1, which is 3. Now, when I add this, I get 6, 2 plus 9 is 11, regroup the 1, and I get 416, just like I did here. And you can see that each piece of this came from different places. So this 26 is this 26, and this 390 is this 390. Remember, you can use whichever strategy you want. You have partial products, standard algorithm, but then you also have your area model that you may use. All these are good ways to multiply.